In this video, I'm going to show you how to set a stop loss in NinjaTrader. Now, the first thing you want to do once you have opened up your chart inside NinjaTrader, you want to go up here where you can see this button, which is the Chart Trader. Click on that, click on Chart Trader again here in the middle, and it's going to pop up your Chart Trader. Now, as you can see over here on my screen, I just draw something by mistake, don't mind that. And then here you can just, of course, go left or right if you want to. And whenever you actually find a place you would like to put a, for example, stop loss at, right click it, and here you can see you have the option to either sell stop market or sell stop limit. And at the top, if you go above the graph, you have the option to buy stop market and buy stop limit. Okay, so that's pretty much how you can do it, and then you can just basically confirm this like that, press
Order
yes,
submitted.
and there we go. It's gonna say order submitted, and that's gonna be that. So that's how you can play around and actually add stop losses in NinjaTrader. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.